In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT as a retirement planning education assistant to help you understand your financial options and set clear goals. Let's get started. I'll start by heading over to the ChatGPT home screen and preparing my initial set of instructions. I have my prompts ready in a separate note to ensure I get the best results. I'm copying a detailed prompt that asks ChatGPT to act as a retirement planning education assistant specifically for a content creator in their mid-30s. I wanted to explain things in plain language and always include a disclaimer that this is educational information rather than professional financial advice. I'll paste that into the message bar and hit enter. ChatGPT acknowledges my request and lays out exactly how it will help me, including breaking down different strategies and avoiding confusing jargon. Now that the assistant is set up, I want to get a broad overview of the different types of retirement accounts available. I'll go back to my notes and copy a prompt asking for a comparison of common options like the 401k, traditional IRA, and Roth IRA. After I paste and send this, ChatGPT generates a very helpful table. As I scroll through the results, I can see a clear breakdown of what each account is, who it's best suited for, the tax advantages, and the annual contribution limits. It even covers specialized accounts like the SEP IRA and solo 401k, which are great for self-employed individuals. Below the table, it gives me a simple hierarchy for how to prioritize these accounts and a quick example of a strategy for someone in their 30s. Next, I want to understand the math behind a retirement goal. I'll copy a prompt from my list that asks for a simple way to calculate a rough savings target. I paste the request and watch as ChatGPT breaks the process down into 5 easy steps. It walks me through determining my timeline, estimating monthly expenses, and using the 4% rule to find a target number. Seeing the example of a $1.2 million goal helps make these abstract concepts feel much more concrete. To avoid making expensive errors, I'm going to ask about common pitfalls. I'll grab my next prompt, which asks for the 7 most common retirement planning mistakes people make in their 30s and 40s. I'll paste that in and let the assistant explain why things like waiting too long to start or failing to take an employer match can be so damaging in the long run. It also highlights the importance of actually investing the money rather than just letting it sit in cash. Finally, I want an actionable plan to get me moving. I'll copy one last prompt to create a simple 30-day retirement planning checklist. Once I paste and send this, ChatGPT generates a fantastic week-by-week guide. Week 1 is all about understanding my current financial picture, while Week 2 focuses on estimating my specific goals. By the time I reach Week 4, it even provides a list of essential questions to ask a licensed financial advisor during an initial consultation. This checklist gives me a clear, manageable path to follow as I start planning for my future. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.